Today we leave the Kettle Moraine State Park and head to Sheboygan, as today is cool tractor. Today is the opening day of Broughton Days down at Kiwanis Park. It doesn't start until 4 p.m., so let's check out the Sheboygan Lakefront until then. To the left is the Sheboygan River, which flows out into Lake Michigan. We'll cross over just ahead and head through the city. Heading east on Pennsylvania Avenue. In the distance you could see the North Pier lighthouse and the Sheboygan River to the right. Let's get this thing parked. Across the street there's something missing. Anyone guess what it is? Leave a comment if you know. I always like the view of the harbor at the end of Pennsylvania Avenue, so let's check it out. Sheboygan has an excellent public launch facility, which was redone in the 90s and is still holding up quite well today. Plenty of parking and several pull-through spots. 6 wide lanes for launching on busy days. Well, what do we have here? I think these guys are short a rope or two. You can do it? Well, if it works, is it a bad idea? Do any good?
No. Not today.
Gotta get ready for that cold derby.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm sweet and hurry.
Now these guys have it down to a science. They even have a ladder mounted on the trailer to step right out into the truck. So that's the last 2 of 20, you said?
Sure. That's why there's no cooler hanging around here yet.
Nice size fillets.
Yeah, I mean, I would say 8 to 10 pounder. Obviously, that was just a little puppy one.
Yeah. Here we are at the base of the North Pier, looking west where we see the beach, and Broughton Drive is a nice drive along the shore, up and around North Point. Since we're here, let's take a stroll out to the lighthouse. The weather on the lake looks to be turning. It could change for the worst in a matter of hours. Gotta beware out there. Trying to take a nice video. Not sure what those ladies are. Oh. Well, that's not good. Here comes some help. Maybe not. Ah, here come the instructors. Well, let's move on.
And I believe when I first met Mayor, I said to somebody,
Here we are, at the lighthouse. Let's continue northward along the shore towards North Point. This stretch of shoreline is popular for surfing. You might remember the 2021 video where we were lucky to see some surfing action. Let's go around the bend to find a place to park. Ooh, we've got fog rolling in. If you listen carefully, you can hear the foghorn of the lighthouse. It's not quite as loud as the horn that used to be on the lighthouse. You could hear that all the way into town. Hey, it looks like this guy's got one on. He's got it. Nice one, eh? The fog is rolling in quick. Just a few years back, when the lake height was way over average, this rock shelf was all underwater. Wow, will you look at the fog on the bay? I told you it could change really quickly out on the lake. Well, I need to get over to Kiwanis Park for the Broughton Days Festival. I hope you enjoyed the quick 2022 tour of Sheboygan's Lakefront. Thanks for viewing. Good day.